World Sparrow Day is celebrated on 20th of March every year to raise awareness about the importance of birds like sparrows in our ecosystem. This day encourages people to take action to prevent the upcoming future of extinction of different bird species. Its main purpose to create awareness about the decline of the sparrow population. It also aware people about the rise or the increase in pollution and global warming. The initiative was taken by the Nature Forever Society in India and the CO System Action Foundation in France joined hands with other national and international organizations worldwide. All environmentalists come together in their countries and celebrate World Sparrow Day and also educate their country, youth, and other people about the importance of sparrow in our ecosystem. As human, is our duty to save nature. Factories settled near the rivers and the farmers in the farming yield use excess of pesticides are some of the main problem that are responsible for the mass extinction of many species. Sparrow was the first bird we identified in our childhood. They were everywhere, hopping around the gardens, building nests under the roof. But listen closely now and noticed something missing once familiar. Sparrow, that common bird, have become the most non existing. Sparrow population has declined by about 80% due to modern architecture, use of pesticides have all contributed to decline in the sparrow population. We can still save them before it is too late. They are waiting for us to work toward protecting them. On this occasion of World Sparrow Day, make sure the world doesn't lose its beauty by losing one of the most beautiful creatures. Help sparrows by building nest for them, put water for them in summer. Let's save the little angel.